Thank you for your purchase of the Facial Guardian. I want to go over what comes in the box with you. You're going to get the Facial Guardian Shield in the box. You're also going to have wrapped separately the Facial Guardian Connection, a bag with some screws and a towel, and your handheld steamer. So the Facial Guardian Shield can be used alone, and you can see that it provides a little bit of wiggle. When we designed this, I loved this aspect of this product because I could move it back and forth, and you'll see it doesn't hop around on the table. We created the Guardian Connection for those that really want a more stable feel to the Guardian, or for those that want to use it on smaller treatment tables. You'll notice the Guardian Connection has a cutout in the middle. Of course, this could be where your client's head is placed, or it could be over the table, which we'll show in another video more detail about how to attach this to a smaller treatment table. To attach the Guardian Connection, you take the enclosed screws and you put them through the Guardian first of all, and then through the connector, and finger tighten the nut that comes with it, and you're all set. Repeat that process on the other side. The towel that is in your packaging is used to clean the underside and top side of the Facial Guardian and the Guardian Connection. The handheld steamer is also part of the sanitation process. When you use the steamer, you would plug it in, sit it right underneath the Guardian Connection logo, turn it on, and walk away for 10 minutes. When you come back, your Facial Guardian is completely sanitized. Remove the steamer, wipe the inside and the outside of the Guardian with your towel, and you're ready to see your next client.